Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that I think many of you will find incredibly useful, especially during those hot summer days or while entertaining guests. We came across the Silonn Ice Maker, a portable countertop ice machine that promises to deliver fresh ice in no time. You can check the link in the description below for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Silonn Ice Maker? It's a compact, user-friendly ice-making machine that fits perfectly on your countertop, kitchen island, or even your desk. Measuring at just 8.7 by 11.4 by 11.6 inches, it's designed to take up minimal space while still delivering maximum efficiency. If you find yourself in need of ice frequently, this machine could be a perfect solution. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of the Silonn Ice Maker. First off, the efficiency is impressive. This machine can produce bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. That's right, in under 10 minutes, you can have a batch of ice ready to go. It has a powerful compressor that can churn out up to 26 pounds of ice per day, with a storage capacity of 1.3 pounds. That means you won't run out of ice when you need it the most. Another great feature is the convenient portability. Weighing in at just 13.7 pounds, the Silonn Ice Maker comes with a sturdy handle, making it easy to move from room to room or even take along to events like camping trips or barbecues. The scoop attaches conveniently to the basket, ensuring that you always have the necessary tools right on hand. The control panel is designed with simplicity in mind. You can enjoy fresh ice with just 3 easy steps: fill the reservoir, switch the unit on, and select your preferred ice cube size, small or large. There's also an indicator light that notifies you when it's time to add more water or when the ice storage is full, which is incredibly helpful. Now, you might be wondering about the maintenance of this ice maker. The Silonn Ice Maker features a self-cleaning function, which is a huge plus for anyone looking to keep their ice fresh and clean. All you need to do is remove the basket, add some water, and hold the clean button for 5 seconds to activate the cleaning cycle. After about 30 minutes, you'll be all set to make a new batch of ice. So, who is this product suitable for? If you love hosting gatherings or have a busy household, this ice maker could be a game changer. It's also perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who enjoy camping or road trips in an RV. Whether you're serving drinks at a barbecue, keeping your cooler stocked for a picnic, or just want a steady supply of ice for your daily use, the Silonn Ice Maker is versatile and practical. In terms of practical use cases, imagine having fresh ice for your drinks during a backyard party, or easily filling up your cooler before heading out for a day at the beach. It's also great for those who enjoy cocktails at home or simply want to keep their beverages chilled. And let's not forget about those hot summer days when the last thing you want to do is run to the store for ice. With the Silonn Ice Maker, you can have it ready in minutes. In conclusion, the Silonn Ice Maker is an efficient and portable solution for anyone in need of quick and easy ice production. Its compact size, powerful performance, and user-friendly features make it an excellent addition to any home, kitchen, or outdoor adventure. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.